Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of iDempiere learning. In the previous video, we talked about model classes and how we can generate model classes and what is use of model classes. Okay, model classes basically used for our custom table. Okay, if you want to manipulate data on the standard table, that is iDempiere table, okay, we can use model validator. For that we cannot create a custom model class every time for standard iDempiere table. Okay, let's see what is model validator. Model validator is basically Java class that implements model validator interface. Okay, it has two methods. One is a model change and second one is a DocValidate. Okay, which are called on model change events and document change events. Okay, model change events is like on create, on change, on update, on delete. Okay, these are the model change event, and document events are complete, prepared it, which we can perform on document. Okay, doc action. Model validator register itself for iDempiere table or documents to react on model change. Okay, like data change, edit or delete. Okay, document action like complete, void, etc. Okay, so let's create our first model validator. For that we have to create one plugin. Okay, plugin. So let's create one plugin. Go to file, new, other, select plugin project. Okay, give name of the project, which is com.yt. I am creating model validator for order, so I will give it name like com.yt order dot model validator. Okay, let's check our default location. Okay, and OSGI framework is Equinox, and click on next. Here we have to give ID, version, name and vendor and execution environment. Okay, click on next and finish. We have created our plugin. Now create package same as plugin name. Okay, let's create a class which is order model validator. Okay, it will implement model validator interface. Okay, implements model validator. Okay, we have to give some dependency to this plugin. Okay, first dependency is a base class, base plugins. Second is a plugins.utils. Okay, now import model validator. Okay, and create mandatory methods. Okay, here you can see initialize method, client ID, login and model change and model validate. we will see these two method. Okay, we can pass our client id like env dot get id underscore client id env dot get context. Okay, this will return our client id. Let's initialize our table. Engine dot add model change. Okay, we are adding model change event to the model validator, to our model validator. Okay, we are creating model change event for m order class dot table name. Okay, and pass listener. Okay, this. Okay, our model change event register. Okay, let's register doc change event. Okay, doc validate. Sorry guys, there is too much rain in our city, so you will feel some background noise. Okay, let's ignore it. We are going to register DocValidate. Okay, let's give our table name and our listener. Okay, now we have registered our model change event and DocValidate event. Okay, let's create our custom logic on model change. Okay, if PO is PO dot m order dot table name is equals to PO dot table name. Okay, and we want to update some data on before change. Okay, if anyone updating our existing order, then we have to update its descriptions. Okay, like order is updated. Okay, we will going to update our description on change. Okay, need to check type equals on before type before change. Okay, now let's create object for m order. Okay, m order equal to PO. We have to cast our PO to m order class. Okay, now we can set description. Okay, like model validator on change event. Okay, our description has been set. Okay, let's create our DocValidate logic. we will going to use same, okay, but we have to check timing here, timing before or after prepare. Okay, I will use timing there are many events here, you can use any events. Okay, if you want to perform any operation before delete, after delete, then you can use these events. Okay, timing before prepare, I will going to use timing before prepare here. Okay, and I want to update my description on doc change event. Okay, this will be model change event. Okay, looks good. Now our model validator has been created. Let's register our model validator. For that we have to give extension add model validator. Okay, and create new listener, which is our class order model validator. Okay, we have to give id and name same as it is class. Okay, and save. So looks like it's created. Now let's add in the debug configuration. Okay, we have to add our plugin in the debug configuration. Okay, model validator default true. Okay, apply, close. Okay, let's stop the server and restart again. Server.product, ignore this error. Let's wait until server start. Okay, we have to create one model validator record in the system. Okay, sorry, let's disable debug. Here is an example of model validator. Okay, this is available in base. You can see here it has initialized some table, invoice table, match invoice. Okay, and it has performed some operation on that table. Okay, before change or value change on sub columns. Okay, you can see this model validator available in the base plugin. Okay, let's move to up. Okay, this model validator in available in the base plugin. Let's check our server has started. Click OK. Okay, we are in system. Let's create model validator in the system. Okay, it has some model validator. Okay, you can see. Let's create our model validator. We have to pass class name here and give name order model validator. Okay, our class register, we have to restart server again. Okay, okay, our server started. Let's check in the client side and check if our model validator is working or not. Select role. Okay, let's log into garden over admin. Okay, let's copy this data and save. Okay, we can see description is not available yet. Let's update this record like order reference 1 and save again. Let me delete this description. Okay, you can see now our description from model validator has been updated in the order. Okay, let's check if our document action event and perform or not, and description from document action append or not. Okay, let's prepare it. Okay, you can see our doc on change event perform. Let's fix the error first. Okay, let's create one line to fix that error one. Prepare. Okay, and let's prepare again to see if it's append our text from doc change event. Okay, you can see now description has been updated. Okay, so that's it. In the next video we'll see about event handler. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you have any question about model validator, you can comment down the comment on this video, and you can email me. You can find my email from the YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.